How do you get past no in negotiation? In this particular case, I want to talk about when you're told no for a promotion, for a raise, or even a job. So a friend of mine is currently unemployed and she's receiving benefits, but as a requirement of those benefits, she has to, if they ask her, take an unpaid internship. Well, she's in that internship now, and as somebody in her 50s, she's really quite experienced and doing a fantastic job. People clearly like her work and have told her so, and so she decided to ask somebody in HR, well, what do you think about actually hiring me? And the answer was, no, we're having a hiring freeze. I'll tell you more about that in a moment, but I'm Suzanne Janasz. I am currently an affiliate professor for London Business School, and I do some work with Conti Advanced Business Learning. What advice did I tell my friend? Well, first of all, it's important to be a little bit creative. The thing is, when an organization says that there is a hiring freeze or there is a freeze on salaries, the question may be, well, what exactly is frozen? So in the case of new hires, it may be possible for the company to hire consultants. Is there an opportunity for her as a consultant? She can also argue that consultants don't get paid benefits by the company, so there's, depending on where you are, up to a 40% savings on that. There's also no implied long-term contract. So again, another benefit for the company to not have to worry about any implied long-term contract that they would be giving her. Another thing that I advise is for her to ask around. Is there anyone else in that organization who is in a consulting position or a contracting position? What kind of deal do they have? Have others been hired from contract into a regular full-term employment? A third thing that she could do is ask very directly, okay, there's a hiring freeze. When do you expect the hiring freeze to end? And what is that tied to? Is it a fiscal year? Is it a particular situation that the company is facing? Another suggestion I made to her is, once it's obvious that perhaps there is not an opportunity, I would ask for a letter of recommendation. That might freak them out a little bit because that almost sounds like she's looking elsewhere, but guess what? She's looking elsewhere because if you are very gifted like she is and have in-demand skills, then why not look elsewhere to a company who will make that commitment to you? Finally, another opportunity in this negotiation is to say, how can I make myself valuable to you where you can't say no? And tie a particular performance goal to this hiring. So for example, if I were to reach 40,000 new customers due to this new social media campaign, at that point, I would like to be considered for a full-time position. Or maybe it's in sales dollars or in amount of money saved through improved processes. For more information on negotiating and influence, be sure to check out www.cabl.ch.